Let me tell you a story. I met this couple more than 27 months ago, and they were looking to upgrade from their starter condo into their forever home. They bought the condo 10 years ago before they even had kids. And when they bought it, they knocked down a wall, they redid the kitchen, they opened it up, they made it more modern and inviting, and it fit their lifestyle. Well, when you have a kid, time flies pretty fast. I have a 2-year-old, I don't know where any of the time went. Things can just kind of fall into place. So when it came time to selling it, the owners kind of didn't see that there needed to be some upgrades and maintenance and painting and just general kind of refresh. And so that's what we're here for. We have a concierge service program that helps our clients understand what needs to be done to their home in order to put it in the best light and market it to the most amount of people. So we did what we do for everybody who wants to take advantage of these services. We get contractors in there. We get multiple bids, including from a company that we use called Free Model. And the benefit of Free Model is that they will not only assign an interior designer to oversee the project, they'll also include staging in their bids. And they'll take the money when you sell the house. You have a 1-year contract with them, there's no interest on it, and they're as competitive dollar to dollar than the other 2 bids we got from regular contractors. So what did we do? Basic things: paint, carpet, general maintenance, staging. Very simple. And then we get ready to actually do the marketing. Noel's probably the best property photographer, at least in my opinion, in all of Los Angeles, and he can make the place sing through photos. Then we get our videography team in there to do a property tour, build a whole social media campaign around it. Let me give you insight into how much this matters. Day 1 that the property went on the market, my first call was from an agent that said, obviously, I haven't seen the property yet, but my client is willing to write an offer right now based on what the photos of the condo look like. That's how good Noel is. That's how dialed in the staging is. That's what we can put together. From there, we build a social media campaign like I mentioned. Within the first few days, we had tens of thousands of impressions across the biggest real estate websites and the biggest social media sites. And that drove more than 300 people to come and look at the house between Thursday and Sunday. Thursday was the first day it went up. I was there at 11 a.m. and I didn't leave until 7 p.m. By 5 p.m. that day, 6 hours after the property went live, I had 3 offers. 1 of them was at the asking price, 2 of them were over the asking price. By Tuesday, I had 27 offers. 1 at the asking price, 26 of which were over the asking price. What did it cost and what did it sell for? Well, I can tell you, my clients put in $28,000. That's to replace the carpet and pad, that's to paint, the general maintenance, and the staging. What did that net them? That $28,000 investment gave them a $109,000 return. That's a 354% return on investment. Anyone would be crazy not to take that return. That's where our clients felt, and they are over the moon that they were able to do that. That's what we bring to the table. That's what we offer all of our clients. Concierge level services, from design to construction, social media, mail, whatever it may be. We are going to find the broadest audience, the widest amount of people, the most eyeballs for your property. Because if nobody knows your property is for sale, is it actually for sale? If you are thinking maybe, possibly, is now the right time, today, tomorrow, next year, to sell your home, call us. Send an email, go check out our website, go to social media, find us on Instagram and YouTube, look at what we do, look at the transformation, the before and after pictures, tell the entire story. We will sit down and have a consultation with you in your home so that you can give us a tour before we bring in fresh eyes and fresh ideas to get your home ready to sell for top dollar and to bring it to the most amount of people. Thank you for your time. I appreciate you watching the video. Like everybody else on this platform, make sure to leave a comment, but instead, my contact information is in the description below. Send me a text. Let me know what you thought of the video. If you have questions, I'm there to answer them. I'm happy to talk to anybody that has any questions about buying, selling, investing, whatever it may be. Make sure to subscribe so you can stay up to date with all of the projects that we have going on. Thank you.